Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Yej here. Today I am making an Ijebu special. This is a traditional dish called ikokore. It's made of water yam, and guys, it is divine. It might not look it, but trust me, it is divine. So stay tuned and learn how to make this amazing recipe. Okay, so these are the ingredients you need for this dish, but they will also be written down below in the description box, so do check it out. Right, let's get into this. First thing we need to cut up the water yam into little bits. Okay, and just peel the skin as well. It is quite a slippery water yam. It's not like the puna yam, so yeah, it slides off easily. Okay, and I do like to cut mine in little halves just because I like more chunks of yam in my ikokore. Can you see how sticky it is? And then wash it thoroughly in water, and then we're going to grate it with the smallest part of the grater. Be very careful with this. If you want, put in some wear some gloves to avoid you cutting yourself, but be very careful. This is what it should look like, and now I'm just adding in some salt and then mixing thoroughly. Okay, so what I'm doing now is just pouring in some water into my pot. Okay, with a little bit of palm oil, and then just adding in some of my dry fishes, my crayfish, whatever you want at this point. If you've got some fried meat that you want to put in there, pop them in. Amazing. And that is just the fermented locust beans, which is a roux, and now some crayfish and some seasoning cubes. All right, we're just going to mix them all together. Seriously guys, it smells so good. You can never have too much crayfish, so I've just added in some more crayfish and then some cayenne pepper, ground ones. They're just much better to use them for this dish, really. But it smells so good. All right, we're just going to cover it. Make sure obviously it's boiled, and then put in some balls of the water yam in there. Okay, and then add some more palm oil to cover it, and then cover the lid. Allow about 10 minutes for it to boil, and then stir it. Try not to stir too much if you want a lot of yam in your dish. What I'm doing now as well is just adding in some smoked mackerel. You need to have smoked mackerel, like it is a must. I just love it. Okay. And again, just stir, but when you're stirring, make sure you don't stir too much to, you know, take away from that lovely yam that's obviously been done. Anyway guys, I hope you've enjoyed this dish. If you have, don't forget to comment below, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so. So do stay tuned and stay sweet. Bye.